How to install Asiacell app. So just type get and then double click to install, and then you'll just be able to install it. So from here, you can recharge. There are offers and rewards. Our latest app is the best way to complement your experience with Asiacell. Manage your account, and then just stay on top of your account. It's just super easy with the app instead of going to the website and all of that. So just if you're using this service, just open it up. You can give notifications, allow notifications. You can just do quick login with your phone number. Or alternatively, you can log in with SMS. In the bottom, you can change language. Oh, there is some kind of bug, but then you can just log in like that. And that's basically, the idea. So then you can just get started.